start this at 5 and I'm starting it 8 minutes late because I'm in Chennai. I reached here today with my family. We're all planning to watch the first day, first show in one of the local theatres in Chennai. So we're all really excited. And it's been very hectic with promotions, with all the madness that's happening around Master. And let's start. So I asked you guys for I put up a post saying you can ask me your questions, anything about the film, about the experience, about the one and only Thalapathy Vijay, everything, all the experiences I've had. You can ask me the questions on Instagram below my post, and I've gotten a lot of questions and I've chosen around 20 of them, and I'll be naming your handles and answering the question. So question number 1 is from one of my really sweet fan clubs, Malvika FC, who's asking what was the last day on Master set like. So last day on Master set was, so shooting for Master was like one big college project, like I keep saying. We all were so enthusiastic about making something amazing, making something so fresh and so cool, and at the same time it was a really young team, so the whole energy on set was young and everybody was excited. There was so much noise, there were so many pranks, so it was a super fun set. And we were very sad on the last day. We kept telling Lokesh that why don't you add a few more scenes so that we can, extend the shoot by like 4-5 days. So we were all we were all bummed out when the shoot got over. But we had an amazing wrap-up party on the last day where there was everybody. There was Thalapathy Vijay sir, Vijay Sethupathi sir, Lokesh, the whole cast, Shantanu, Gauri, Anirudh, everybody was there, and we had this amazing party to celebrate the end of Master shoot, which was a mad party. It went on till like some 3 a.m. in the morning. So that was what the last day on Master was like. Question 2 is from Steffi J. Menon, who asked me, what was your toughest scene to shoot and which scene you enjoyed the most? My toughest scene to shoot was, I would say, my day 1 of shoot, which was this really intense scene between my character and Vijay sir's character. And I had a lot of dialogues in the scene. It was my first day on the film set. It was my first day with Vijay sir. And I was so nervous about everything, from my dialogues to sitting next to Vijay sir and performing, to how he would react to how I'm performing. So it was a tough day. It was a tough scene, which was my first day, and everything from there was more smooth sailing. And it got easier from there. The first 2 days on any film it's like your first day back at work. It's always it feels like starting over all again. And the second part of the question was which scene you enjoyed the most. There were a lot of scenes I enjoyed, but I really enjoyed shooting for our song Anda Kannu Pataka. We shot in Shimoga, which is a hill station, and we shot there for 3-4 days for the song. And we also shot one day in Chennai, actually. It's been like 1 year, so I'm forgetting like half the details. But it was a lovely. We kept playing the song on speaker. So by lunchtime, you're playing the song continuously for like 6-7 hours, and by then everybody on set is humming to the song, humming to the lyrics of the song. So it was a really nice mood on set. Question 3 is from Hiru Thai. I don't know if